Here I am down by the beautiful Williams River. It's a bit noisy today as the council are here doing a bit of mowing. I just saw a pelican on the river. She's moving pretty fast considering all the rain we've had. As you can see, she's moving very fast. A lot of the birds are trying to get off the wet ground. I've noticed that at the farm as well. You can see a couple over there in the distance up on an old tree that's fallen over. And there's a swag of them here on the edge. Beautiful to see the river so high after all the droughts that we've been through. So nice to have some rain again. So refreshing. So I just wanted to say to everybody, happy holidays. I know it's disappointing for many of us. I won't see my man or my family this Christmas, and that's disappointing, but we always have to look for a silver lining and know that everything happens for a reason. So wishing you all the very best and hoping that, oh, look at these gorgeous spoonbills. Hoping that your time off, however you spend it, is filled with blessings and love of the season. So just give you another long shot of down the river. Those beautiful birds, aren't they just divine? And, beautiful Williams River at her best on this sunshiny day. Gorgeous reflections. Look, there's even some beautiful lily pads. Have a wonderful day and take care. Deep blessings to you all.